Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add JavaScript code to WordPress header, footer and body without editing theme. By following this method, you can add Google Analytics code, Facebook Pixel, AdSense code and other script in your blog. Okay, let's show you in practically how I am doing it. So I am on my website dashboard. To add JavaScript code, firstly I need to install a plugin. So I am going on my plugin section and clicking on add new plugin, and here I am searching with WPCode space light search, and this is the plugin WPCode insert header footer and custom code snippets. I am clicking on install now, clicking activate. So this plugin already activated. This is the plugin in left bar showing name with code snippet. So click here. After clicking on code snippet, you will get lots of option. For example, header, footer, conversion, pixel, library, search and replace and other things also. So I don't need all of the things. I just need this option, only header and footer option. I am clicking on header and footer. Here you will get three boxes. First box is header, second box is body and third box is footer. So if you need to add code in header section, head section, you must put that code here. If you need to add code in body section, then keep the code here, and if you need to add code on footer section, so you need to code here. So I am going to take my code from Facebook. So I will share Facebook post by using JavaScript, then you can understand easily how it's going to be implemented. Perfect. So Facebook postuploader.com page, and I am going to share this post. So clicking on three dot and embed. So I am clicking on advanced settings, and here I am clicking get code. This is the JavaScript code. I need to keep this code opening body tag, and this is the HTML code. I need to keep this code in my WordPress post. So firstly, I am going to copy this code to display it on my WordPress post. So I am going all post section. After that, I am going to open a test post. So I want to display this code after the number 1 headline. So clicking on plus add block, clicking custom HTML, and here I am pasting the code. Save draft and clicking on view preview, and you see here is showing only the text. There has no visual any embed of my Facebook post. I want to embed this post, so this image is not displaying here. Why it's not displaying? Only because Facebook told me you need to install this JavaScript code opening body tag. So I didn't put this code in my body tag. So I am going to copy this JavaScript code snippet, header and footer section, and I am going to paste it on body and clicking on save change, and it's saved. So let's give a refresh on my WordPress post, then see it's how it look like. And you see this post is embedded properly after using this JavaScript code. So it's tested. This JavaScript code is working from the WPCode plugin, and I use JavaScript code in body section. After that, my Facebook post embedding is working perfectly. So for your blog site, if you need to add JavaScript code in header, body or footer, anywhere you can use this WP code plugin and use your code here, and it will give you perfect output. It's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.